Winter might seem like a dull season for gardening, but it doesn't have to be. There are plenty of beautiful plants that thrive and bloom during the colder months, bringing vibrant color and life to your garden. In this article, we'll explore 25 winter blooming plants that will add interest and charm to your outdoor space even in the frostiest weather. Hellebores, also known as Christmas or Lenten roses, are a remarkable group of hardy perennials that bring a welcome burst of beauty to the garden during the late winter months. Unlike most plants that lie dormant when the weather turns cold, Hellebores spring to life, unfurling their delicate, nodding flowers in a stunning array of colors. One of the most fascinating aspects of Hellebores is their ability to thrive in colder temperatures, making them perfect for areas where other flowers might struggle to grow. As perennial plants, they return year after year, becoming a reliable source of color and interest in the garden. Their blooms often appear as early as December, lasting well into spring, creating a long-lasting floral display when it's needed most. With their timeless beauty and low-maintenance nature, Hellebores are an excellent choice for gardeners looking to add charm and warmth to their winter landscapes. They're not only hardy and beautiful, but also easy to care for, making them a perfect addition to any garden looking for a touch of elegance during the colder months. Winter jasmine, Jasminum nudiflorum, is a vibrant and resilient climbing plant that brings a cheerful splash of color to gardens during the colder months. Known for its bright yellow flowers, winter jasmine blooms in late winter, providing a welcome burst of sunshine when most plants are still dormant. This hardy climber quickly spreads along walls, trellises, and fences, creating a stunning display of golden blossoms that stand out beautifully against the often muted tones of winter. What makes winter jasmine particularly striking is its ability to thrive in the chill, offering color and vitality when the landscape is otherwise bare. Unlike many other jasmine species which tend to bloom in warmer months, winter jasmine's bright flowers bloom early, often starting in December or January and continuing well into early spring. Camellias, Camellia japonica, are exquisite evergreen shrubs that truly shine during the winter months, offering a stunning display of large, showy flowers in shades of pink, red, and white. These elegant blooms are a welcome sight in the garden when many other plants are still dormant, making camellias a standout addition to any landscape. In addition to their striking flowers, camellias are known for their glossy, dark green foliage, which remains lush year-round. This makes them not only a source of winter color, but also a year-round element of structure and elegance in the garden. The flowers typically begin to bloom in late winter and can continue into early spring, depending on the variety, ensuring that your garden has a long-lasting floral display during the colder months. Camellias thrive in sheltered, partially shaded spots, making them ideal for planting beneath trees or along garden borders. They prefer slightly acidic, well-drained soil and benefit from regular watering, especially during dry spells. Snowdrops, Galanthus, are among the first flowers to bloom in the spring, often making an appearance when the snow is still lingering on the ground. These delicate white flowers, with their graceful, drooping petals, have become a symbol of hope and renewal as they emerge from the cold earth, signaling that the harshest part of winter is finally coming to a close. Their pure white blossoms create a striking contrast against the often dreary winter landscape, adding a sense of freshness and anticipation for the warmer months ahead. Snowdrops are typically found in clusters, and their gentle, bell-like flowers can brighten up even the most shaded or difficult garden spaces, as they thrive in areas with partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. Not only are snowdrops a cheerful sight for sore eyes after a long winter, but they're also one of the most dependable signs of the changing seasons. As the first flowers to bloom in the new year, snowdrops offer an early promise of spring's arrival, making them a beloved addition to gardens that aim to embrace the changing of the seasons. Witch hazel Hamamelis is a remarkable deciduous shrub, often admired for its striking and aromatic yellow or orange flowers that bloom in the heart of winter, when most other plants are dormant. With its sprawling branches and gracefully arching form, witch hazel stands out in the cold, dark months, adding a burst of color and fragrance to the otherwise bare landscape. The flowers of witch hazel are not only beautiful, but also fascinating in their structure. The petals stretch out in long, thread-like ribbons, giving them a distinct, almost magical appearance. This unusual bloom, paired with the shrub's ability to thrive in cold conditions, makes witch hazel a symbol of resilience and vitality. It's a rare plant that brings brightness to a winter garden, reminding us that beauty and life can flourish even in the harshest conditions. Beyond its aesthetic charm, witch hazel has a long history of medicinal use. The bark and twigs of the plant contain tannins, compounds known for their astringent properties. For centuries, indigenous peoples and early settlers used witch hazel to treat a variety of ailments, from minor cuts and bruises to inflammation and skin irritation. Cyclamen coum is a charming and versatile perennial that is an ideal choice for adding color and texture to the garden, especially in the late winter months. These low-growing plants are perfect for ground cover, forming a lush carpet of heart-shaped leaves that are often beautifully marbled in shades of silver and green. As the colder months linger, Cyclamen rewards gardeners with vibrant blooms that rise above the foliage in an array of colors, from soft pinks to bright reds and even pure whites. The flowers, with their unique, upturned petals, give the plant an elegant and almost whimsical appearance, making it a delightful addition to any garden or woodland area. Cyclamen is not just appreciated for its beauty, it is also known for its resilience. It thrives in the colder temperatures of late winter, often blooming when most other plants are still resting, offering a much-needed splash of color during the dull, dreary months. Mahonia spp is a bold and striking evergreen shrub that brings both vibrant color and rich texture to the winter garden. Known for its glossy, spiky foliage, Mahonia stands out as a standout feature in colder months when many plants are bare. The plant's leaves, which resemble holly with their sharp, leathery appearance, provide a dramatic contrast to the softer textures of other winter plants. These evergreen leaves hold their color throughout the season, offering a deep green backdrop that remains vibrant against the gray skies of winter. One of the most captivating features of Mahonia is its clusters of bright yellow flowers, which bloom in late fall or early winter. These showy, fragrant blossoms emerge in dense clusters, creating a bold pop of yellow that can brighten even the dullest winter landscape. The flowers, often compared to tiny clusters of lily of the valley, attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, providing an early source of nectar during the colder months when many other flowers have yet to bloom. Winter Heath carnea is a resilient ground cover plant known for its small, delicate pink or purple flowers that bloom throughout the winter months. Despite the cold, harsh weather, winter heath thrives, offering a burst of color and life to otherwise dormant gardens. Its evergreen foliage with tiny, needle-like leaves provides an attractive green backdrop, which contrasts beautifully with the vibrant flowers. This hardy plant is not only a stunning addition to winter landscapes, but also a practical one. It is well suited to a variety of soil types and is commonly used to cover bare patches of ground, preventing erosion and adding texture to garden beds. Its flowers are also a valuable source of nectar for winter pollinators, such as bees. Winter heath's ability to withstand freezing temperatures makes it an ideal choice for colder climates, where it continues to flourish when many other plants are in hibernation. Whether planted in a garden, rockery, or as a ground cover, winter heath brings enduring beauty and vitality to winter landscapes. Cornelian cherry Cornus moss is a small, deciduous tree that stands out with its early bloom of vibrant yellow flowers in late winter, often appearing before the leaves even have a chance to unfold. These clusters of tiny, star-like flowers bring a cheerful splash of color to the still bare landscape, offering an early sign of life as the cold months begin to recede. As the flowers fade, the tree is soon adorned with oval-shaped, dark green leaves that turn a rich yellow in the fall. Cornelian cherry is also known for its small, red to dark purple fruit, which ripens in late summer. These berries, while tart, can be harvested and used in jams, jellies, or even wine, adding a functional element to its beauty. This hardy tree thrives in a variety of soil types and can tolerate both sun and partial shade, making it a versatile addition to gardens or landscapes. With its striking winter bloom and attractive fruits, Cornelian cherry offers year-round interest and beauty, from the first flowers of the season to the vibrant fall foliage and edible berries. Japanese Quince Chaenomeles is a striking, thorny shrub known for its vibrant display of red, pink, or orange flowers that bloom in late winter. As the cold weather lingers, this hardy plant bursts into color, creating a bold and cheerful contrast against the often dreary landscape. Its flowers, typically appearing before the leaves emerge, are not only eye-catching, but also attract early pollinators, bringing much-needed life to the garden during the colder months. The shrub's branches are often adorned with spiky thorns, adding an element of texture and structure to the plant. Once the flowers fade, the shrub produces small, apple-like fruits that ripen in the fall, which are sometimes used in making jellies or preserves due to their tartness. Japanese quince thrives in well-drained soil and can tolerate both full sun and partial shade, making it a versatile choice for a variety of garden settings. Whether planted as a specimen plant, hedge, or even trained along a fence, its stunning winter blooms and unique features make Japanese quince a captivating addition to any garden. Don't let winter dampen the beauty of your garden. With these 20 winter blooming plants Part 1, you can enjoy a colorful and vibrant garden even in the coldest months. Choose some of these hardy plants to add winter cheer to your outdoor space. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Happy gardening!
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.